Hi, welcome to this very first monthly, possibly twice a month in the future, video series, Supervision Moments. I hope you'll tune in with each new guest interview. I'm Dr. Susan Thompson, and with me today is Dr. Sophia Sills-Tailor. We'll be talking about elements of clinical supervision for counselors, and I've asked each of my interviewees to first introduce themselves, and then briefly focus on one thing they want other supervisors to know, remember, try, or ponder, and one recommendation they have, a resource, article, book, podcast, and so on. So, Sophia, Dr. Sills-Tailor, will you introduce yourself and give us your thoughts?
Sure. So I'm Dr. Sophia Sills-Tailor. I'm a licensed professional counselor as well as a LSAP. And so I own a practice in Virginia Beach called Coastal Virginia Mental Health Services. Um, One of the things I think is important to remember in working with supervisees is that it starts off as a mentoring relationship where it can, in best case scenarios, go over to being collegial. And so when we select those whom we would supervise, that it'll be a long-term relationship. And I think that that should be explained to supervisees kind of when you all meet and kind of thinking of it that way, that you will be helping them throughout their career. And so one resource, I think that's the other thing that you wanted to know, one resource would be, I think going on to HIPSO's website. HIPSO offers insurance for those who provide supervision and just for, professional liability insurance. But on their site, they have a resource. It literally says a link for resources, and there they have different case studies. And then it also talks about risk mitigation, and one particular area is for supervision. I think that you could go there. They have a lot of great checklists and all of that that kind of will help you in terms of what are some of the things, missteps that maybe people had as supervisors, and then what were the outcomes, and then recommendations. And so I found that as a great resource.
There you have it. One thing to have others keep in mind, and one recommendation. Thank you, Dr. Sills-Tailor, for joining me today. Until next time, I'm Dr. Susan Thompson. I'm a licensed professional counselor in Virginia, a Virginia board-approved counseling supervisor, and nationally approved clinical supervisor. See you soon.